Hey guys, how's it going? I need to talk about a specific topic about brown dudes having ego because it's talked about so much. Oh, brown dudes have ego. This guy has ego. Why do brown dudes have so much ego? And as a brown dude, a lot of the times we have ego because growing up we were always told, you're a man, deal with it. Men are not typically cared in the same sense that women were growing up, right? Like we were kind of just more so like, yo, deal with it, deal with it. You know, like we were never asked, oh, how you doing today? How you doing today? It's more so, what did you do today? How were your grades? What grades did you get? It was never like, how'd you feel? Like, did someone say anything to you? Did this happen? Did that happen? And we were never allowed to open up. And so we kind of held it on together and have this ego of not of being having an ego, but in reality it's just we've been conditioned to not ask for help because we have to be the solution to all of our problems. But as someone that is vicious into self-improvement, I always reach out for help. Right? I had to get it out the way that I'm not going to be able to get to the place I want to be without asking for help because that gets me nowhere. It's just going to waste me time. Right? And I promise you, like, every brown dude that watches my content, they're all so supportive. So that itself shows that brown dudes are amazing people. They're very supportive. They want to see everyone win, right? But it's not really ego in terms of like, yo, like they think they're better than everyone. It's more so marked as ego because we were conditioned to not express ourselves, right? Like, oh, you're a man, you can't cry. We were conditioned to not express ourselves. And so we hold on to these grudges as if we can't ask for help. Like whenever you ask someone, oh, how you doing? It's like, oh, I'm doing good. Oh, I'm doing good. Yeah, I'm doing good. But in reality, hey man, I've been trying to do this. I can't figure it out. Do you know anything that can help me out? That's all it is. That's literally all it is. Right? And it's tough to see, man. Like on surface level, when people say it's ego, right? Like they don't it's not ego. Like, let's be honest. It's not ego. Right? We have a competitive edge to us, which is amazing. But there's a reason why a lot of brown dudes don't ask for help. They don't ask for help. They don't like asking for help because that's how we were conditioned growing up. Oh, don't ask for help. You're supposed to figure it out on your own. You're a man. You got to control your emotions. And I struggle with this too because for me, it was a place of like, when I was younger, like I always talk about, like, I wasn't really confident, right? Like I was like a fat, chubby kid growing up, so I never really reached out to anyone. And so when I look from that perspective, like, not once did I ever ask anyone, like, yo, how do I actually like, can I be your friend? Like, how, like, yo, can I be your friend? Right? Like, I never asked that because you're kind of like conditioned to just like deal with it, like keep it to yourself, right? But since I just like kept failing a lot growing up, like I just got rid of that mindset. I'm like, yo, dude, there's a lot of things wrong with me. If I continue this, I'm gonna be the same, and so it forced me to change, right? But dude, like, even like some of my clients before joining, they're just like, oh, I don't think it will work out for me. Like, I still remember this one call, like our onboarding call. Not an onboarding call, like a call he was interested in, and we got on a call, and he was just like, hey, I don't think this is gonna work for me. Like, I've been trying it for 25 years and whatnot. But he's never asked anyone for help. Not a single person has he asked for help. Right? That's not necessarily ego. It's just we weren't necessarily told to ask for help. Right? Like, we're just supposed to have the solution. Right? Like, we're boys, we're men. It's just supposed to be a part of it. But yo, I'm sweating like crazy. Like, I can't turn the AC on because then it's gonna hear it in the car, and I can't turn the window on because there's a human right there, like parked right beside me. She's on her phone, so we're chilling. But like, if I open the window and I talk to her, like, she's gonna think I'm a maniac. So yeah, you're gonna see sweat. But yeah, like, we don't ask for help. Right? Like, I asked him, like, yo, so like, what have you tried? He's like, oh, I just watch YouTube videos and this, that. I'm like, so like, have you asked anyone like that you personally know? He's like, no, I haven't. And I'm like, why? And you're just like, I don't know. I just felt like I couldn't do it. Like, the fact that you think you can't do it, and by in turn, that's completely okay, is not normal. It's not normal for you to think that you can't do something, because if someone else did, you can do it. If I got in shape, you can do it. And if someone is in better shape than me, I can do it. Right? Like, I'm not going to sit here and say that I can't do anything. I'm just gonna ask you, dude, what do you know that I don't know? What do you know? Like, what do you know? Like, can you help me out? And I promise you, every single person that is doing better than you will always help you out. Like, there won't be a single situation where they'll be like, yo, nah, I'm gatekeeping. Only people that don't actually know what they're doing or are not in a better position with you will try to gatekeep because they're insecure that you might overtake them. But anyone that is doing better than you will always give information because they love seeing other people win because they were once in your position. Like I mentioned, I had no one to look up to when I was like trying to get in shape, bro. There was like no one on social media that actually taught it. Like legit no one, right? Like it was just like no like Tamil or brown dude that actually did it. And I'm just sitting there like, what the hell? You know, there's Hamza, but he was more so like mentality, you know, like talking to girls, right? Like, what does that help when I'm fat and unconfident and I can't talk to women? Like, I get it, dude. Like, Hamza, I get it. You know, go approach a girl, but like, yo, like, I don't feel confident to approach a girl. I don't like what I see in the mirror, dude. Right? Like, and so you gotta ask for help, dude. That's one of the things. Like, and I genuinely don't care anymore. Like, I always ask for help, and it's not ego. It's just we've been conditioned to not always ask for help. And so next time, whenever you're struggling with anything, always ask for help. And even like, let's say like at work, right? Like you're having trouble, you ask for help because we're taught it's okay to ask for help. But when it comes to everything else, it's like, oh, we're not supposed to ask for help. If you don't know how to do something, ask for help. Even if it's not supposed to be done, right? You got to take priority in it, dude. And it's just like up to you to make the initiative to actually learn. Because if you don't, then it's like, what's even the point, right? Like next time, ask yourself, when you're stuck at something, just reach out and ask for help. This was just a little yap. It came in my mind because I had a conversation with someone, another dude, and he was just like, yeah, dude, like I've been struggling to lose fat and I just don't know what to do. And then he's just like, yeah, man, you know, like I've seen like this one video, so I was trying to figure out my calories and etc. And he's been following me for so long, and he never just shoot. I respond to all DMs, by the way. He never thought to ask me. You could have just asked me. I would have helped you out because I was once in your position and I understand how it feels to be in that position. And that's why I'm so passionate about this, because I genuinely needed someone to guide me the way. No one did it. You know, like these, you know, like these videos get like fucking 500 views. I don't care about views. I really don't care about views at all. Like if this helps one individual, every single time someone messages me like, hey, this video was so useful, that's all I need. That's literally all I need. So next time you're stuck, go ask someone for a question. And I promise you, not only will your life get better, you'll literally feel more relieved because you know solutions to the answer you always want and are just conditioned to not ask for it. So ask questions. I'll see you guys in the next one. I want to make a more informative one. It'll be probably around a case study. So follow for more and check you guys on the next one.